Hey guys, it is Miss Adriana and Nagini, and we are here to talk to you about my DIY Quidditch goals. So, stay tuned. Alright guys, here are my Quidditch goals. They are quite old, so I do need to give them a little bit of an updo, but I'm going to go ahead and talk about how I did this. Alright, so I believe we got everything besides the hula hoops at Lowe's. I think the hula hoops we got from Walmart. We also got kickballs and smaller rubber balls for the bludgers and quaffles. So, and then we got this connector and this PVC piping from the plumbing section at Lowe's. And so here's what we did. We got the concrete blocks and we put the poles in, and then we put the concrete in and let that set. And then we spray painted the bricks, and the bricks are black, and we spray painted the PVC piping and the connector rods gold. We put the hula hoops in through the connector rod and then sealed them up and put concrete inside, and we just left the hula hoops alone. We didn't spray paint them. You can, of course, if you would like. But that is how we made those. All together, I want to say it was roughly 150-ish for all of the materials. Not too bad, especially considering I use them every single year. So, if this is something that you are interested in, it was super easy to make. The hardest part was like the concrete set. That took the longest. The rest of it was just so super easy and simple. And like I said, we play with it every year and we've really enjoyed it. I do need to give it a little bit of an updo though. So I will be probably remaking these in the next year or so. That's how I made my DIY Quidditch goals. I am so sad that this is the last video for our virtual Harry Potter week. I hope you have enjoyed all of the activities. Please keep commenting to earn house points so that your house can win a party. And I will be drawing for the winner tomorrow for the Harry Potter bundle. So keep commenting and posting. And Nagini and I hope you have a very good rest of your week. We will see you tomorrow with the announcement of which house had the most participation and gets a party. And we will have the live drawing for the bundle to give away. So keep enjoying those activities and keep posting about it. Alright, bye guys.